Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Mood Podcast. I'm Nora. Today's shadowing challenge is all about work and study. If you're learning English for school, university, or your job, this episode is perfect for you. Today, you'll listen to a simple real-life story using natural everyday English. Every sentence is repeated twice. Listen carefully, then say it out loud with me. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking, pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Don't worry if you can't repeat everything perfectly the first time. Just keep going and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Emma woke up early this morning. Emma woke up early this morning. She looked at her phone. She looked at her phone. It was already 7 o'clock. It was already 7 o'clock. She had a very busy day. She had a very busy day. She was a university student. She was a university student. She also had a part-time job. She also had a part-time job. She needed to go to class first. She needed to go to class first. After class, she had to work. After class, she had to work. She got out of bed quickly. She got out of bed quickly. She washed her face. She washed her face. She brushed her teeth. She brushed her teeth. She got dressed. She got dressed. She made a cup of coffee. She made a cup of coffee. She also made a sandwich. She also made a sandwich. She checked today's schedule. She checked today's schedule. Her first class started at 8:30. Her first class started at 8:30. She packed her books. She packed her books. She put everything into her backpack. She put everything into her backpack. Before leaving, she looked in the mirror. Before leaving, she looked in the mirror. She smiled and said, She smiled and said, Today will be a good day. Today will be a good day. Then she left the apartment. Then she left the apartment. Emma arrived at the university on time. Emma arrived at the university on time. The campus was already busy. The campus was already busy. Many students were walking to class. Many students were walking to class. Some students were drinking coffee. Some students were drinking coffee. Emma met her friend Lily. Emma met her friend Lily. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I'm a little tired. I'm a little tired. I studied late last night. I studied late last night. Me too. Me too. They walked into the classroom together. They walked into the classroom together. The professor arrived a few minutes later. The professor arrived a few minutes later. Today's lecture was about communication. Today's lecture was about communication. Emma listened carefully. Emma listened carefully. She took many notes. She took many notes. Sometimes she asked questions. Sometimes she asked questions. Sometimes she answered questions. Sometimes she answered questions. She wanted to improve every day. She wanted to improve every day. The class finished at 11. The class finished at 11. Emma felt happy. Emma felt happy. She learned something useful. She learned something useful. After class, Emma met her group members. After class, Emma met her group members. They had a group project. They had a group project. Everyone sat around a table. Everyone sat around a table. Emma opened her laptop. Emma opened her laptop. They talked about their presentation. They talked about their presentation. We need to finish this by Friday. We need to finish this by Friday. I can prepare the slides. I can prepare the slides. I'll write the introduction. I'll write the introduction. I'll find some pictures. I'll find some pictures. Everyone had a different task. Everyone had a different task. They worked together. They worked together. Nobody complained. Nobody complained. They helped each other. They helped each other. After 1 hour, they finished the plan. After 1 hour, they finished the plan. Emma checked the time. Emma checked the time. Oh no. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. She packed her bag quickly. She packed her bag quickly. She said goodbye to everyone. She said goodbye to everyone. Then she hurried to the bus stop. Then she hurried to the bus stop. Emma arrived at the coffee shop just in time. Emma arrived at the coffee shop just in time. She put on her apron. She put on her apron. She washed her hands. She washed her hands. Her manager smiled at her. Her manager smiled at her. Good afternoon, Emma. Good afternoon, Emma. Are you ready for your shift? Are you ready for your shift? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. The shop is busy today. The shop is busy today. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Emma turned on the coffee machine. Emma turned on the coffee machine. She cleaned the counter. She cleaned the counter. Soon, the first customer arrived. Soon, the first customer arrived. Hi, can I get a large latte, please? Hi, can I get a large latte, please? Of course. Of course. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, a blueberry muffin, please. Yes, a blueberry muffin, please. That'll be $8. That'll be $8. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You too. You too. Emma served many customers. Emma served many customers. She stayed calm. She stayed calm. She smiled at everyone. She smiled at everyone. Even when the shop became crowded, she didn't panic. Even when the shop became crowded, she didn't panic. She enjoyed talking with people. She enjoyed talking with people. She learned something new every day. She learned something new every day. Excellent job. You finished today's shadowing challenge. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Remember, fluency doesn't come from studying once. It comes from practicing consistently. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Mood Podcast. I'll see you in the next shadowing challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and have a wonderful day.